shaking their hands. This is a welcome I had not expected in a morning like this. Thank you so much, Congressman. Thank you. Thank you to Congressman Shaw and to the Chief Financial Officer, Jeff Atwater, for welcoming me and endorsing me today. I appreciate their help and your help today. To kick things off, I was in Iowa, as you know, just a few days ago, and won in a landslide of 8 votes. And so I'm hoping you guys can do a little better than that. So make sure you get those absolute ballots in. Got a good send-off from New Hampshire. Very excited about the New Hampshire vote. And you know, yesterday, the president was at a fundraiser in Chicago. And he said, look, I can promise you this, change is coming. He got that right.